Do people learn through listening?
Research from Harvard University showed that people learn more when they are actively engaged in a classroom than they do in a passive lecture environment. When people are listening to lectures, even when they're demonstrations, they perform lower on tests. People learn through being engaged, and not just through listening, reading, or memorizing. So the next time you want someone to learn, try to give them a problem to solve, provide a chance to practice, ask them questions, or have them teach you what they already know. You can even do this online by starting off with a question, using scenarios in breakout rooms, or sharing a photo and asking, "What's wrong with this picture?" You'll be surprised how much learning happens when people spend less time listening and more time applying knowledge.
Now go out there and educate with what you create.